Okay, y'all, here's how I made almost $500 today. One loss, one win. Um, Again, and I'm trading back on the funded accounts. I bought a few more, so I'm back on one at 150, so I'm up $400, $466 on this account. Let's talk about what I saw today. I am keeping a tally between Antonio and me, and today I'm one, he's zero. Now he might have another trade after this. So Antonio was looking for calls at this point. NQ was hitting a level. This level on NQ was happening up here. So I did sell. I meant to sell at this point, but I just sold right here in case he was right, but his calls got stopped out by my take profit, and I'm out. So they have one loss on the day in the group chat. Um it's funny because I'm always against him, which I don't understand. But I already have the account for the month. So I also have to get my car towed today in like an hour or so. So I was like, let me just get the chart. I wanted to hold though all the way to sell side, which I might, especially now that it broke this. So let's talk about what I saw this morning. So this morning at 8:30, I'm just gonna do on the 1 minute, everything on the 1 minute. We have equal highs here, major liquidity here and here. How do we know that? On the 1 hour. One major liquidity here, and then just the sell side that London took out. So I was kind of confident we were going up because we have the sweep of Asian and we were just running up. Once we broke these and not in a sweep, like I thought if it was a sweep and gone down, I was just buying sales to go down. Now that it got broke way up here and broke this liquidity point, which you'll see on the 1 minute, I was confident we were going up. Let me tell you how, even though my strategy is not 100%, like I say, you wait for a confirmation. So I wasn't mad at the loss this morning. So this is where we were at. This is the equal highs. And there was another set of equal highs right here. And that's the other liquidity point I was telling you. So once we passed this, I was confident we were going here. Okay, Antonio might be right a little bit, but again, I was already in this trade at 9:30 because I was already in the market early. So he was waiting for a setup to go here. And his moves are smaller than mine, which I don't like. But also a lot of people in Discord trade options. I told you options are the best leverage, so you can catch small moves like these with options. Anyways, so I waited for it to break above here. So we broke here, the equal highs, both sets, and I was waiting for either this to be a sweep. This was a fair value gap too, a green one. So some people have just entered in that fair value gap and got in, but I wanted to wait for a full break of structure displacement. We got it, and then we got a fair value gap or below these lows. And on the 5 minute, there was a big green fair value gap. So I was confident it's going to tap back in here. 9:30 swept all this sell side. I was waiting for that 9:30 strategy where it sweeps and goes up, but it wanted to keep going down, stop me out. But it made another beautiful fair value gap entry. I set a limit order this time, so I got in beautifully. If you set a market, it's gonna, like, my market order was here and it wound up filling way up here. But since I got a limit order, it taps you in right there. And then I should have held at this second line because they're just, see how they're close together. I said if they're close together, you can just go for the second one. I should have, but just in case, I got out here. This loss was like 230, I think. I went back up to 15 mini contracts, which is the max you can use. That made like 712 on this one. I don't like how it doesn't show you them separately. It just shows you like your total loss for the day. But I am back. So far, me trading by myself is better than copy trading Antonio. If I just want, like I said, lately I've been wanting these trades to happen before and then whatever he has, but lately I've been in a trade already before he gets on and gets in a trade, so we're trading against each other. Then obviously if I'm already in a trade, I'm gonna follow my conviction. And I don't like to trade. I was gonna trade to 11. Since I already made a good bit of money, I don't want to risk a loss on his. And I'm gonna trade mine with 15. I'll probably trade his trades with like 5 minis or like 1 or 3 minis because I don't really trust his strategy right now. But again, since I have the thing for the month, I will try to watch what he does throughout the day if I want to. If I make 500 to 1,000, I probably won't even take any of his trades. But yeah, it really did not do what I wanted to do yet. It still could go up, sweep these, and then go down. Which I kind of hope it does. This is why continuation plays are hard, because my stop loss was here. Could have put it here, but where did it go all the way down to here? So you just play it. You play it as it comes, and I am happy with this. I'm getting funded this month. Mark my words.